Time management is very important in our lives, and in matters of time management, it also helps us to do certain focus so that we prioritize our activities. Today, I would like to talk briefly on 5-25 rule. 5/25 rule. In according to this rule, you should make a list of the 25 things you want to do in life. That is the first procedure or first action. Second, out of these 25, now get the top 5 out of the 25. The top 5 you feel they are of great priority. And that, never think about the other 20 ever again. You just throw them to the dustbin. Don't think about them, because if you think about them, they are simply going to eat to the top 5 which you have already chosen, and then that one will affect your performance. So 5/25 rule is very important to help you in life. I hope this 5/25 rule is going to help you in life so that you don't do things haphazardly. It's Mutera Rukwaru from A Moment with Rukwaru channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.